X-Flap OEM Exhaust Valve Controller Universal TL User Guide. QR Code Card. User S Manual. Control Box. Remote Controller. Signal Cable 100 cm. Signal Cable 200 cm. Single Valve. Connect only the 100 cm signal cable. Dual Valve. Remove the waterproof cover. Then connect the 200 cm signal cable. To complete setup, lock the vehicle before installation. This video demonstrates on a dual valve vehicle. Only one signal cable is needed for single valve models. Locate a pre-drilled hole on the chassis and secure the unit using zip ties or screws. Connect the 5-pin connector of the 100 cm signal cable. Select one valve. Unplug the OEM connector and connect it to the 100 cm signal cable. Secure any excess wiring. Connect the 6-pin connector of the 200 cm signal cable to the control box. Locate the other valve. Unplug the OEM connector and connect it to the 200 cm signal cable. Secure excess wiring to complete the installation. Test the remote control. Then move on to the app tutorial. Scan the QR code on the card to download. And open the X-Flap app. Enable Bluetooth. BT devices. Select X-Flap OTA or exhaust. The default password is 1111. On the home screen, you will see on, off, and normal modes. The exhaust graphic at the bottom indicates the current valve status. Next, let's look at setting. Under default, you can set the valve mode for the next engine start. The default is LST, which remembers the mode before key off. For example, if it was on when turned off, it will start in on mode next time. Under valve setting, the pre-selection is set to default. The default setting works for 90% of vehicles, so you usually don't need to change it for certain vehicles where the valves won't open. For example, Aston Martin. You can try other options. You can also manually enter custom valve open, close frequencies. Please contact us for custom data compatibility with specialty vehicles.